Hello to all, welcome back to this channel. Today we will be discussing about product life cycle in automotive industry. Product life cycle is key aspect for any successful product. Auto industry has a specific product life cycle which controls final product quality. In this video we will understand those important steps which automotive industry follows in their product life cycle. Point 1. Concept. This is the first step of product life cycle where engineering teams study of various concept of car. For example, these days there are a lot of concepts exists in automotive industry like general passenger car, sports car, electric vehicle, heavy-duty vehicle, hydrogen vehicle etc. Point 2. Engineering design and virtual analysis. Once concept is finalized, then engineering team starts working on their engineering design and virtual analysis. Various CAD software are used to design a virtual models of car. After design completion, multiple virtual analysis are done on design data to ensure efficiency of design before going into real world. Point number 3. Product development. Once design is completed, then product development process starts. In this phase, engineering team decides which manufacturing process will be suitable to bring the product in real world in terms of time and money saving. Also, what additional input will be required for manufacturing processes. Like for a plastic product, it will require dies and mold on injection molding process. Similarly, for a casting product, patterns, dies and mold will be required. Different products have different requirement.
Point number 4. Product inspection. In this phase, initial prototypes or first few samples are inspected as per design data. Various dimensional checking instruments like vernier calipers, gauges, CMM machine, 3D scanners are used as per accuracy and tolerance criteria of product. Once products gets confirmed as per dimensional checking, then it is sent for various physical testing to check its strength on various conditions. Point number 5. Final functional test. Once products are approved in all stages, then it is sent for final assembly in vehicle assembly plant. After that, testing of a vehicle is done on various paths and environment to know its sustainability. Usually in vehicle testing, it is run 2 to 3 lakh km to understand its product life. After such long process, if vehicle gives satisfactory results as per requirement of engineering team, then it is ready to launch in the market. So that's all for this video. I hope you will definitely get benefit by this in your future. Until then, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Like and share too if that helps. Also select the notification icon to receive a notification when we upload a new video.